Let's talk about algorithms. Can you beat them? No. Can you buy your way into them? On Facebook and Instagram you can, but not on TikTok. Can you lovingly caress them and save money? Also, yes. All of the platforms are different, but let's focus on Spotify. The first 24 hours after a release are crucial to help lock your song into a fruitful algorithm. Getting the most streams and likes you can in those first 24 hours, as well as getting onto as many playlists as possible, will help you more than anything. That's why your prep work is so important. Did you use Spotify for Artists to submit to playlists? Do you have a good distributor who is working to ensure placements? Did you alert your fan base to pre-save your song before it came out? Did you even make a pre-save? I know releasing music is the fun part, but you still have to work to get your work listened to. You can do it, and it only gets easier.